Welcome to LRM Leasing. All right guys, so we're here to talk about when brakes are locked up. When you guys go on vacation and the truck's been sitting for about a week or just sitting around and the brakes will lock up. So the few first things you're gonna need is a hammer, a pry bar or a crowbar, and believe it or not, a can of Coke or Diet Coke. Before we get to these, the first few things you need to do is air up the truck up to 100 PSI and try to do the simple thing by putting it in reverse and in forward and try to rock the truck back and forth. If it does not break, the brake's free from the drum, then we're gonna go on the few steps here with the pry bar and the hammer. All right, so when using the pry bar, you're gonna put it between, like I said, between the drum and brakes. Once you get it in there, and then you're gonna pry. Once you start prying, the bar will flex, and then you should hear it pop free, then the truck should start rolling. But when you guys are doing this, the brakes have to be released, and I recommend that you chalk the tires because you don't want to roll yourself over. If you don't hear a pop and you still need more, then you need to get your hammer, the persuasion tool, lay on your back, and you're gonna have to hit the drum, and then again, you should hear it pop free. Once it pops free, the truck should roll. If all that fails, that's when you get your Coke. You get Coke or Diet Coke, you're gonna open it up, you're gonna apply it right here, right between the drum and brake shoe, then let it sit for about a minute, and then go back to your pry bar, exactly where we had it before, between the drum and the brake shoe, and then pry, and then it should pop right free. Once it does, you should be golden.